So yesterday in the previous video we have created up to that place, but there is a problem in one thing. So if we wanna create the same user once again, which are already exist in our database, you see shakilgmail.com already exists. So if I create the user, it is giving some ugly error message. This is not user friendly and very ugly with a bad user experience. So this is not as expected. So we can handle the error gracefully by the convention of Next.js. So Next.js provides some error boundaries, so we can use it, and it's very handy, and it will become user friendly. Okay. So to do that, what we need to create error boundaries. Let's see the file once again. This is our error. User already exists, so we need to show our user already exists. It should be shown in a user friendly way with good user experience by the error boundaries. Okay, so it will not be ugly like that. Okay, so let's create a file for that. Inside app, create a error boundary, error.tsx. Okay, so inside the error boundary I have some codes with some design. So this is error, or I can change it. Something went wrong. Okay, so this is the error boundary. It will guess by this error if. Okay, so this is a client component, so we need to declare use client. We'll discuss briefly in the next tutorial what is use client. Okay, I hope error is gone. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. MERN stack, Typescript, Ecommerce, Docker, RTKquery, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you, for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much. So if I use it, so something went wrong. So this is not ugly, and it's good looking with good UI experience or user. So it has been, and the ugly part is here. Okay, so it's a good user experience, and it has been caught by the error boundaries. So we have discussed about the error handling gracefully in Next.js 14. So basically it has some benefits. Let's see. Error handling flow. When a user tries to register with the existing email, an error is thrown. This error is caught by the Next.js error boundaries, which is then renders the error component, displaying the error message in a friendly manner. Okay, we got in a friendly manner. Previously we got that, but right now it's a friendly manner. Okay, so it has some advantages. Separation of concern. By using an error boundary, we use separate error boundaries from the component logic, keeping your component cleaner. Yeah, user experience. Users see a dedicated error message without experiencing a crash or ugly runtime error. So it's not crashing or not ugly runtime error. So it's a good user or UI experience. And maintainability, this structure allows for user updates, easier updates and changes to error handling in future. Okay, we'll discuss more about the error handling in the future videos. But right now we can handle it gracefully with good user experience, not ugly. The ugly part is behind the scene. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you like the video for error handling Nextjs 15. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. And I have a superb course on Udemy with a huge discount. If you wish, you can buy this. You will able to learn a lot of things because this course is based on Typescript, RTK query, Docker, everything has been used. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.